Hi, ArcfieldWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday morning, March 16th. A very nice day in store for the Mid-Atlantic region, much of the northeastern part of the nation. Kind of a back and forth pattern for the next few days with respect to dry versus wet. Today will be a dry day in the Mid-Atlantic region, but showers will move into the area as on Thursday as low pressure pushes towards the north and east from the deep south. And produces some cooler conditions with some rain late tonight and on Thursday. Then we get back to a dry and pleasantly mild day on Friday for the Mid-Atlantic, for the northeast U.S., and then more showers come Friday night and during the day on Saturday as a cooler air mass arrives for the upcoming weekend. Let's first talk a little bit about the threat for severe weather over the next couple of days and the threat for some snow in parts of the country over the next 5 days, and then we'll take a look at the 0Z run of the GFS model. First of all, for today, slight chance of some severe weather down across the southeastern part of the nation. Will be low pressure developing in this part of the country over the next 6 to 12 hours or so, and then it moves to the north and east, and that system will bring some showers late tonight and tomorrow into the Mid-Atlantic region. And for today, again, it raises the possibility of some severe weather, especially across eastern Georgia, parts of Florida as well. Don't expect any kind of a wide severe weather outbreak, but this is the area to watch later on today into tonight. Now let's jump ahead to tomorrow, and we'll see here while that first system moves off to the north and east, that low pressure area, another upper level trough will kind of slide into the deep south, and that will tend to bring about an increased and enhanced chance for some severe weather later tomorrow down across eastern Texas, Louisiana, and into Arkansas and Oklahoma. Now, while we do not expect any snow over the next 5 days in the Mid-Atlantic region, certainly northern New England can get hit quite hard, and many of the higher elevations out across the west. This is a total snowfall map by last night's 0Z run of the GFS model for the next 5 days. First of all, more snow, Sierra Mountains in eastern California. A lot of snow in those higher elevations of the Rockies from Colorado to Wyoming all the way to Idaho and Utah and Nevada. This whole area right here can get some decent snowfall. Again, this is over the next 5 days. And take a look first over the upper part of the Midwest and northern plains. Nice swath of decent snowfall over the next 5 days. In northern New England, especially the state of Maine, gets hit quite hard over the next 5 days. Nothing to speak of in terms of snow, for sure, in the Mid-Atlantic region over the next 5 days. Well, let's walk through the surface forecast maps from last night's 0Z run of the GFS. And again, kind of a back and forth pattern in terms of rainfall versus dry conditions in the Mid-Atlantic region. Today, very dry, very pleasant. Tomorrow, some rain. Friday, very dry, very pleasant. Saturday, some more rain. And here it is, that low pressure area we spoke of earlier. This is the one that's situated right in this region as we begin the day here on Wednesday. And again, it raises the possibility of some severe weather on its warm side later on today into tonight, right in this region right here as it begins to make a move to the north and east. In fact, let's push ahead here on the GFS model run, and here we go again by this evening. Later on tonight, watch out for some strong thunderstorms in this area, and then that low pressure area by early tomorrow will be situated right in this region right here, and showers will likely already have spread in the DC metro region by the time we get to daybreak on Thursday. And then this system will continue to push to the north and east, spreading showers up the I-95 corridor into Philadelphia, into New York. And with that rainfall, temperatures will be suppressed somewhat. Certainly be overcast skies and certainly cooler than today. Expect high temperatures this afternoon, places like DC, Philadelphia, New York City, pretty close to the 70-degree mark with plenty of sunshine. Much more confined to the 60s, especially the lower 60s likely on Thursday with overcast skies and some rainfall as well. This is midday on Thursday, low pressure right over the Outer Banks. That pushes off to the north and east. And then we get into the day on Friday, and this is another break in the action here on Friday for the Mid-Atlantic region, the Northeast. Very nice day here. In between systems, one system off the coast, and this is the Friday morning forecast map, and another system showing up here over the middle part of the nation, and here's that swath of decent snowfall on its cold side, the northwest side, by Friday, with cold high pressure up across south central Canada. Expect some accumulating snow. Parts of Nebraska, Iowa, into the upper part of the Midwest, Wisconsin. But again, Friday, nice day, D.C., Philadelphia, New York City. Let's move forward. Showers from that particular system roll into the eastern seaboard overnight, Friday night, going into the day on Saturday. Not a particularly nice day on Saturday throughout the Great Lakes region, the Mid-Atlantic, the Northeast. And here's that significant snowfall for upstate Maine on Friday night, Saturday time frame. Showers down across the Mid-Atlantic region. Again, cooler air moves in for the upcoming weekend. By the time we get to Sunday, we'll have a pretty decent flow of northwest winds here, and it'll be considerably cooler than what we'll experience this afternoon, considerably cooler on Sunday than what we'll experience on Friday afternoon in the Mid-Atlantic region in the Northeast U.S. Probably highs confined to the 50s in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City as we close out the upcoming weekend. That's it for now. For ArcfieldWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Orion.